Alright guys, I know I usually do Facebook ads, but today we're going to go into AdWords, and we're going to look at a campaign that I just started for a lawyer that I'm pretty happy with. So, you can look at the campaign. We spent a total of $19.99. The budget is $7 a day. These are the number of impressions, and these are the number of clicks. The average CPC is $2.50. You know, talking to other marketers in our area, if you're running the ads right, you're looking at anywhere from about $3 to about $10 for a click. So this is pretty darn good. Now, let's look, now that I've gone in and done some updates to it, let's look at today. Much happier. This was actually $1.50 earlier. It spent a little more. So this is good. Under $2 a click, which is good. We've got 4 clicks a day at $7.81. And remember, this $7 a day is an average, so it can go up to 8, 9, 10. So you got to watch this. Sometimes it can go a little haywire, but it's going to do an average over a month's time. So you know that would be $210 a month. So I'm pretty happy. You know, we've gotten some clicks. We're getting some clicks. Right now, child support is the main click. All today, child support. These are the keywords that we have in that you go put in there. And the way you do that is you go into your keyword planner and you look at the keywords. So these are the different keywords we have. Now this is the max PPC. This is automatically done by Google. I have it set it auto. So the issue is that now we are having the ability to have this auto updated, and we also will see that it's $3.19 an auto bid. So if we're getting at $1.95, we're doing well. And it shows you the different impressions for the different keywords and things of that nature. And these are the keyword research that you have to do to put into your Google AdWords. So let's look at a few things here. Let's see. Let's look at recommendations. And this is where you can go into your Google AdWords and see if you have any issues. I'm at 100%. So I fixed everything. So everything that I'm doing is running perfectly according to Google and their recommendations. So there's nothing I needed to adjust. It did tell me that I needed to put in one of the keywords into my Google ad space. So I ended up putting a keyword in there of child support. Wanted me to have that. So we went ahead and put that in there so you could actually have child support in there so it's going to resonate properly. And you can have a few different ads. This one's outperforming. So I'm probably going to stop this guy right here. So let's do that, because you see this one's getting the brunt of things. We're getting impressions. Now remember, you're not paying for anything on this. So let me show you that. Even though you're getting impressions, you're not paying anything for it. So, but it might be better just to get all the impressions on this guy, and then that way you're getting, this one's what people seem to be clicking on for what reason. I'm not sure. They're pretty close, but a few things I changed on there. And this is the basic ad that you're going to get. And this ad will go to the site for sign up and things of that nature. Now, I'm probably going to build a landing page. We just started this, but this can serve as a landing page because you're going in and it's called Contest Today, call us, get your phone number in there. So I'm very happy with this ad so far, and hopefully my client will be happy with this ad because it's actually doing well. Oh, sorry, wrong thing there. That was my back end to my web server. Let's go back to AdWords. And hopefully they'll be happy with that. Let's just look at a few things like demographics. So you can actually drill down and do things like demographics in AdWords as well. So I'm excluding people from 18 to 24, excluding people from 55 to 64, 65 up. And you know what? I probably should exclude that. Unknown. I'll think about that. But this is her core demographic. Anywhere from 30 to about 50 is the core demographic. So that's where you want to get most of these ads going to. Let's see this unknown. You know, I think I'm gonna turn that off so I can do that right here because I just want to keep it at the core thing. And now you've turned that off. So now these impressions in here, even though I got 2 clicks, so you know what? Maybe I need to turn that back on. We'll think about that. So we did get 2 clicks on unknown, so I turned it back on. But it's as easy as that. You can go in and do things like that. You can do locations. San Antonio, Texas. So that's only going to be in the area it's going to do here on the map, the area of San Antonio. You can actually do a schedule. So I have it scheduled to run from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday. And then on the weekends, from 10 to 8:45. So you can see that right here. You know, most people are, you know, late in the evening are probably winding down. Here they're probably asleep, going to church, not looking at divorce stuff. Although they may be, and you may be in the middle of the night over here looking at divorce stuff, but I just chose not to do it at that time. You know, who knows what's happening in the middle of the night. Lots of crazy things. Let's see what else we can look at real quick. So here's all the different things that are going. So the campaign's enabled. We're looking for leads. We're only using Google Search Network and Search Partners. Google Search Network is when people are actually searching for you. So that's the good thing. They're actually looking for divorce. They're looking up child support. They're looking up these things that we're keen on. If you do another thing called display networks in here, that's where you see the ad following you around and around, or on YouTube. And it's kind of more like a Facebook ad where it's just going out and just, you know, sending a lot of, you know, little ads out there for you to click on. You're not necessarily looking for divorce, but it actually is going out there and doing things. And here's $7 a day. So it's a very small budget. We're just starting out. We're testing it out. We're going to probably increase this budget. You know, but if we get 4 clicks a day and she gets a phone call out of that a day, I mean, I think that's good. You know, one phone call, you know, that could be potentially, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 and up client. So even one phone call is not bad for $7 a day. I'd be happy with that. That's a pretty good ROI. So anyway, I kind of just wanted to show you guys, you know, how this works. I mean, you can actually set up landing pages, which I haven't. This is the actual landing page. So you can actually see the clicks and the things on there. But this is just the home page. So not necessarily the landing page itself. It's the home page. I didn't create a specific landing page for it. You know, and then here's the ads. This is the ad group. So this is basically where you put your keywords in, and this is going to tell you your automated bid, number of clicks, things of that nature. So I'm happy with it. 4.26 click-through rate's not bad at all for especially that price. Really good. I'm really happy with less than $2 today. So hopefully it continues at that. We'll be watching it. And so you have to understand, $2 a day is not bad to spend if they're actually looking for something that you're selling. So they're actually typing in, you know, real estate. They're actually typing in divorce. They're actually typing in these things that you actually have in your business. They're not just on Facebook throwing out to the masses. So that's a difference between Google AdWords and Facebook if you didn't understand the difference. When you do it this way, when you're doing search ads, they're actively searching for you or your product. Facebook, you can't do that. They're not actually searching for you or your product. You can target them, but they don't actively type in, you know, real estate. Don't actively type in divorce, all those kind of things. Anyway, hope this has been informational. We'll talk to you later.